All right, boomers. Today we're going to talk about an upgrade to your shop. Everybody's got the big old router out in their shop. But today we're going to look at the Milwaukee portable router. This thing goes about, I don't know, about 180, 190 on Amazon. Fully portable, uses the Milwaukee Fuel 18 volt. High speed, auto stop. Beautiful, handy, good fit in the hand, fast, long run. I mean long run on a battery. That's the 9.0. That thing will run about 8 hours. Seriously, with constant use. Maybe 8-9 times a minute for hours. This thing will run all day for me. Micro adjustment here down to the millimeter. Standard on the other side. You can see that. Uses 1/4 inch shanks. Comes with a large adapter plate that I've mounted onto the track table. Swaps right in, swaps right out. Take it out, use it on the deck. Handy, fairly light. I mean, it's built sturdy, it's solid. Got real, professional tool weight to it. But still light enough and handy enough to use all day without wearing your arms out. Now, if you're going to dip into your savings a little bit, upgrade your tools, portable router is definitely the way to go, and this is the one I'm recommending, the Milwaukee Fuel portable router. Just under $200 on Amazon. You can't go wrong with this thing. Seriously, you're going to love it from the minute you turn it on. Look it up. Later, boomers.